Looking for relief in tired hands or arthritis discomfort? Today we're reviewing the Neurivo Hand Massager. But is it a real product that works or is it just another gimmick? Let's find out. So the Neurivo Hand Massager is marketed as a device that uses compression, heat, and vibration therapy to alleviate hand pain, stiffness, and tension, promising improved circulation and relaxation with regular use at home. Here's where it gets interesting. Heat and vibration features can feel soothing and help ease tension after long days of typing or grip-intensive tasks. Many users say the comfort and relaxation effect is real. It feels great and can reduce short-term stiffness in hands. But don't expect miracles. There's limited independent clinical evidence proving this specific massager significantly improves long-term joint pain or arthritis symptoms. Most support comes from customer testimonials, not published studies. Some buyers report that the fit or intensity settings don't work very well for every hand size, and results can vary widely between users. So is the Neurivo Hand Massager real or fake? It's a real device that exists and works for some users. The heat and vibration features genuinely feel soothing for tension and stiffness, but its effectiveness for chronic pain or long-term therapeutic benefit is not strongly proven, and results vary from person to person. If you want simple hand comfort, it's worth trying, but don't expect a guaranteed fix for serious conditions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.